Today we're gonna make a simple berry sauce. It's only gonna take 2 ingredients. I got myself here some blueberries. I bought them 2 days ago. They don't look that pretty. That's why I'm gonna cook them. Let's start off with some blueberries in a pan. I personally like to cook them in a pan. I find it easier to crush them as they warm up. So I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of sugar. You could put more if you want your sauce to be sweeter. If you want, you could add some lemon zest or the juice of a whole lemon inside. But for the purpose of this recipe, I wanted to show you that you can make the sauce just with 2 ingredients. Once in a while, mix it up. As it gets soft, you can crush them down a little. Now make sure you set your pan to medium heat and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, if you decide to crush these berries in a pan, be careful because you don't want to burn yourself. Some of these berries might pop in your face. Now we want to make sure that our sauce is nice and smooth. We're gonna pass it through a sieve. So take your sauce here and just drop it in the sieve. All of this goodness, look at that. Oh yeah. If you want to have some chunky sauce, you don't need to pass it through the sieve. Have a look. But if you have guests over for dessert and you want to present them a nice, beautiful sauce, I recommend you smoothen out that sauce. The texture will be much better. So there you have it. We made a simple sauce, only 2 ingredients. You could put this over your cakes, your waffles, pancakes, any type of dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, please check out these other great videos and don't forget to subscribe.